is chorus. I will repeat my third once again. The secret to happiness is freedom, and the secret to freedom is chorus. Thanks. Have a colorful day.
Thank you, Nargis. I would rather die in freedom on my way back home when it's traveled to did there. For
Find 5 cases of Omicron variant. Now some national news. Amit Shah said to visit Jaipur amid differences within BJP ranks. India slams UN rights body for Jammu and Kashmir statement. At last, some sports news. Second test live. Captain Kohli returned as India founder combination against New Zealand. Thank you.
Thank you, Jared. Freedom is not only a gift, but a summons to personal responsibility. Now, this I like to call Faisal, who will tell us more about our topic. So, put your hands together and welcome him.
Freedom is something that everybody has heard of, but if you ask for its meaning, then everyone will give you different meaning. This is so because everyone has a different opinion about freedom. For some, freedom is the freedom of going and
Life is freedom. With this, a very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. It's me, Zaya, on behalf of Peace House, standing here to recite a poem on topic freedom. Essence without preconception, existence has no fear. The idea of an alternative shell fades away into clear. Give yourself the freedom, the one you have.
Touch your toe, reaching from your neck, rope to side, touch your thigh. Now when you do all the way, thank you, Mimi. Good morning, all of you. My name is Miran. I study in class with me. Today I am going to sing Miran. There is something, there is something. How are you this morning? How are you this morning? Very fine, very bad. Long way, long way, long way, long.
Thank you, kids. Now it's time to celebrate the birthday of a boy. So, put your hands together.
Good morning, all of you. Today is the birthday of yours, so let's celebrate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. At last, I want to say freedom is the oxygen of the soul. Thanks. Have a good day.
There is one announcement that all the students are